Alright guys, so in a couple videos ago, I showed you why I was only using paper towels for a cleaning video, and this is why. This is the cabinet under my sink, and it is a mess. So, I got a few items from the dollar store and Target, and I'm going to see if I can make any of this work for this. Alright, let's do this.
When I get you back, oh yeah. When I get you back, oh yeah. When I get you back, oh yeah. I promise you'll never leave me when it comes to you and me.
Okay, so I have everything pulled out of the cabinet, and this is all my cleaning supplies over here. I got some trash bags. So now I'm going to try and clean this up as best as I can and try and get it somewhat organized.
Back, oh yeah. When I get you back, oh yeah. When I get you back, oh yeah. Cause I don't wanna lose you. I hope you feel that way too. No, I don't wanna lose you. Baby, don't go. Oh, when I get you back, oh yeah. I promise you'll never leave me. When it comes to you and me, there's no one else.
So let me know in the comment section down below, what is the one area in your house that really needs to be decluttered? For me, it's my entire house, but I'm starting here in this cabinet under the sink.
When I get you back, oh yeah. When I get you back, oh yeah. When I get you back, oh yeah.
All I want to is to be close to you, but I don't know how and what to do. I'm so shy when it comes to you, but I guess you're curious, huh? So let me show you what I can do, 'cause I don't mind taking my time to stay in this space. is in the air tonight. I see it in your eyes. You want this even more. Like we are soulmates, something we never felt before. Yeah, I don't mind taking my time. Let's stay in this bed now, never get out. 'Cause I would love wasting time with you, baby. 'Cause I know it will be heaven making love with you. I would love wasting time with you, baby. 'Cause I know it will be heaven.
Alright guys, so there you have it. This is my trash pile here. Actually, this little carpet spray, or it's like a carpet powder, isn't trash. I'm gonna give it. Oh, oven beeping. Because you know what? Just as I started this, my son's like, yeah, I'll have that pizza now. I was asking him for 2 hours if he wanted a slice of pizza. Shh. This is all my stuff that's trash here. I'm actually going to give this to my mom. This is the carpet spray that I used to use for... let me get that. Okay, where was I? Okay, so this, the carpet cleaner, I'm going to just give that to my mom. I used to use that for Coco on the rug in the front room. Sadly, Coco is no longer with us. She gained some puppy wings, so I'm not using it anymore. I actually need to go through a lot of her stuff. I have to go through all of her medicine that I had for her. I still have like a stuffed animal that she used to like to play with, but yeah, so kind of a little sad update there, but okay, I'm not going to dwell on that. I can't. So here it is. That's what it looks like now. All right, so I have an idea. At some point, I want to put a dishwasher here. Maybe it's one of those things, like I always say, you know, don't put bad stuff out there. Like, don't say it out loud, like, you know, break a leg or any of that kind of stuff, because you put it in the universe. So maybe if I put a good thing out there, like a dishwasher here would be awesome. If that's in the universe, maybe it'll come true, right? Anyhow, so if I put a dishwasher here, I am going to move everything that I have in here on the other side of my kitchen. This is all my pots and pans in this drawer, and then up here is all of my silverware. So I'll be moving that into another drawer. But the question is, what do I do with all the stuff that's in that cabinet and drawer? And I'll actually show you that right now. Okay, so this is the drawer that I'm talking about. And right now it pretty much just has my oven mitts, my towels, any kind of scissors and bottle openers that I have here. And then all of my wrap, my cling wrap, my foil, or my so-so foil, because I haven't bought foil yet. I got to do that. So I'm going to see if this will work for my foil, my wraps, and my baggies that I have here. And I'm going to use a Dollar Tree item, which I'll show you next. All right, so my thought is one of these Dollar Tree baskets, some of these command Velcro strips hanging on this door. I pushed all of this stuff back a little bit so that I could close the door. So I'm going to see if this is going to work for me. Here's hoping, right guys? Fingers crossed.
Love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight. Oh, love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight. Night, 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 night. Love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight. Love is in the air tonight.
Alright guys, so this is the finished product. Actually, I kind of like how this turned out. I had to take the baggies out of the box, though. I think with a smaller baggie box, it would be fine. I had the 200 count from Walmart. Maybe like the little 100 count box would fit better. But I got my wrap in here, my parchment, my plastic wrap, and then this is what the bottom of the sink looks like. So I'm going to say I'm kind of happy with it. Is it Pinterest perfect? No, by no means. None of my house is Pinterest perfect, but it works for me. And that's just it. Find what works for you guys. That's the key. If it works for you, it doesn't matter what it looks like. Do I like the blue bins? No. Does it work? Absolutely. Is anybody going to see them? Nope, just me. So it doesn't matter. Same with that blue bin. I do like this bin though. This is really pretty. I've had a really hard time finding any of them, so I just have a few here and there. So I was able to get all of my sponges nice and organized. These are all of my cleaning cloths, my dish gloves, and then this is my go-to stuff that I grab all the time. The Dawn Power Wash, my bleach, and stuff like that. My Clorox wipes are right back there. This is all of my Swiffer stuff. These are my green bags that my aunt got me for Christmas. I've used them so far on bananas and grapes, and they do work well so far. I got some gloves over here, my trash bags that I just grabbed at Sam's Club there. And then I will say this, I like to have my fire extinguisher pretty much up front because it's in the kitchen. However, little PSA, check your fire extinguishers because my guess is, let me see if I can grab this. I think I need to get a new one. It's kind of right on the line there. So check your fire extinguishers if you need to. Little Smokey Bear moment going on, right? Only you can prevent kitchen fires if your fire extinguisher works. So check your fire extinguishers in your kitchen and in your whole house, is that fact. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it. And please subscribe to my channel. I hope you guys have an awesome day. Bye, guys.